Hello friends, day 106, and I walked the 10 miles or so down into Lochmaben, and it was an interesting town, very quiet. There was a food shop, but about the only things you could buy in there were crisps and fizzy drinks, so I didn't manage to stock up on food today, but that's okay, I've got enough to last me for another day or two. I continued along the Annandale Way, which was mostly good, but there was a section along the river that was very overgrown, and also coming up over the hill, I was trying to get to a place called Dalton because I'd heard great things about the Thai restaurant there, but coming up over the hill it was pretty difficult. The path was very rutted and pretty much non-existent. So I didn't get to the Thai restaurant until about nearly 8 o'clock. Fortunately, they were still serving and I had a lovely meal. I am camped tonight in the village of Dalton, right next to the church. So pretty good camp spot actually. Let's have a look where I've been and I will see you on the trail.